Hi, I'm Yasmin. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you my skincare routine regarding how I keep my face thoroughly cleansed and moisturized after wearing makeup. Even when I don't use makeup, my face wash routine is never interrupted, as I wash my face at least twice a day to remove residue from pollution, natural sweats, and oil buildup. For example, we all know that if we don't wash makeup off our faces properly, it can cause clogged pores, breakouts, and may cause our skin to age faster. I will send these two lovely skincare products and give my honest opinion on them. This is the Chear Cocoa Butter Cream that hydrates and protects the skin, and also the Chear Cocoa Butter Soap that softens rough, dry skin. Now I'm going to show you my skincare routine using both the Chear Cocoa Butter Soap to cleanse my face and the Chear Cocoa Butter Cream to moisturize my skin. Now starting off with facial wipes to remove my makeup. Then proceeding with the Chear Cocoa Butter Soap to thoroughly deep cleanse my face. The key benefits of the Chear Cocoa Butter Soap is that it cleans, clears and refreshes the skin. It does deep cleansing and purifies the skin. It's enriched with rich cocoa butter that makes the skin soft, smooth and supple. It nourishes the skin, giving it a healthy glow, and is excellent for use on the face, hands and body. Next, I like to use my Vitamin E Facial Toner, which is an in-between skincare after cleansing your face and before moisturizing. Toners can help shrink pores, minimize acne, and balance your pH levels. Now moving on to moisturizing my face with the Chear Cocoa Butter Cream, which is an important step after using a toner to lock in moisture. This cocoa butter cream also contains vitamin E, almond oil and aloe vera, ingredients which are very moisturizing to the skin. It is fast absorbing and provides 24-hour moisture, smooths marks and scars, suitable for eczema prone skin, and is paraben free. It also claims to heal dry skin. Before using this Chear Cocoa Butter Cream, I thought this would be just like the well-known Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula, as they are both a solid formula and have similar ingredients and benefits for the skin. But this Chear Cocoa Butter Cream is way better than the Palmer's version, as it has a smooth formula and absorbs better to the skin. Let me show you what I mean. This is easy to glide. So this is it, and when you rub it, it just glides well onto the skin. I love the way it feels on me, as I have dry skin and it's hard for products to absorb well on my skin. So now let me show you the Palmer's version. So this is what it looks, and like taking it out, it's not that smooth. Now I'm just going to show you on this side of my hand. This Palmer's one seems to have a really greasy feel on the skin, and it doesn't absorb well as the Chear Butter. As you can see, this is the Palmer's version, and this is the Chear Cocoa Butter. And I prefer this side because this absorbs better onto my skin, whereas this, it's still very shiny and greasy, and I hate the feel of my skin like feeling really greasy. I feel it's just as bad as just putting plain Vaseline on my skin. Like, I have dry skin and I need the product to absorb really well, and that's what this Chear Butter does, whereas this is just still oily like on the skin, and personally I don't really like that look. Another thing I have to say about this is that this, in my opinion, is by far better. I really like this cream. Since I got this has now been a part of my skin and body care routine, especially after cleansing my skin. I really love this. It's really good. And you get a free soap with it, which is the, again, cocoa butter soap. This is another good product. I really like this soap as it deeply cleansed my face. It removed my makeup thoroughly, and yes, I have to admit it was kind of drying to my skin, but most soaps are a bit drying to the skin, but this really did the job for deep cleansing and purifying my skin, which is one of the benefits of this soap. This is another product that I've been using. Like, I really enjoy using it. Like, it looks bad now because I've been using it for a bit, but I really enjoy using this. And this cocoa butter cream brings back the moisture after using the soap. So again, amazing products that I highly recommend you to try. You can get this at your local beauty supply store, and also you can also get it on their website, which I'll also link in the video and also on the description box. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and also getting some good tips on how to take care of your skin. Please like, comment and subscribe, and hope to see you soon in my next video. Okay, bye.